Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today we're out of the shop and we're going to put together a little pen for our chicks. They'll be coming outside for the first time, and they're a week old now, but it's in the upper 90s and temperature's great for them. So we need to get them out of the house and let them experience the outdoors for the first time. So we're going to build them a little pen, and we've got some more oddball materials that I got for free. We're going to throw something together real quick for them. These pieces here are from a collapsible crate. So, pretty simple. I'll lay that out. We got 4 stakes. We'll put the stakes in the corners. We will attach this one to the top of those stakes and wrap the whole thing in chicken wire. And then we'll probably put chicken wire or just a piece of OSB or something on top of it so they don't jump out, so any predators might see them and think they're a snack, keep them out too. So let's throw this together real quick. Well, now we've got our box. We're going to grab the chicken wire, go around the outside of it, and yeah, I might make a little entrance on it, but I'll probably just be able to just sit the birds in from the top. That should give them plenty of room to get outside for the first time. Well, there we go. Here's the basic structure of it. Just thrown together. Got a piece of OSB on top. That'll give them some shade and everything else. Got the chicken wire all the way around it. And yeah, should work out pretty well. And best part is it was free. All this stuff I've had laying around for quite some time, except these pieces, which I got from work. They came in as a crate, had some material in them, and we didn't need them. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and get our chicks and bring them out here and see how they like their outside house for now. Well, it looks like our girls are taking to it quite nicely. They don't know quite what to think about it yet, but they've been moving around a good bit. They're pecking at the ground and just feeling it out, it looks like. They're all really curious. But yeah. This one here is falling asleep standing up in the sun. Little yellow guy. She's smaller than the rest of them by a good bit. So we'll just have to keep an eye on her and see what happens. But yeah, they got their food, they got their water. We'll leave them out here for a while and see how they do before we take them back inside. Well, I think that about wraps it up. I think they're going to enjoy their little playhouse outside. That way we can get them outside from time to time here in the next couple of weeks as they grow before we get them out in the coop, which I've got to finish up, and I'll hopefully be doing that here in the next week or two. But yeah, I think that about covers it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching. I think they had a big day today.